Yay, we got some Iwire goodies. What's up, guys? Today is the day before the dyno. We've got 24 hours to go. It's 6 o'clock now. Our appointment is at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Need to button up a couple things. The car runs. I haven't driven it yet. We took it out for a spin before we fixed brakes and bearings. The brakes work, but there's a couple items that we needed before we put on dyno. Big stuff like a fuel pump, fuel pressure regulator. Get everything going. But anyways, gonna go in the shop right now and let's go see what we got so we can get to work. Look at this new fun thing here. All right, this is sitting right out in front of the shop. What? They just picked this thing up, look, plastic still on there. Oh shit, I don't even know how to open this thing. So look, the top glass goes back. This thing opens up, look, plastic still on the seat. Radio and AC and everything. Yeah, this thing's fancy. I'm gonna film this thing later. This is our little tank over here, and that's the new truck. So I know Robert's doing a little review on this thing. That thing's a bad boy. Shut that. All right, so obviously I knew this was here. I dropped these off last night. This is gonna be some ARC, some piping. Yeah, I just brought a fender, just dropping off some supplies, and I taped that on there. So the brothers haven't seen that yet. This is the goodie bin, all the stuff that I brought together. And I'm looking, okay, nice. This is stuff I was looking for. So they hit up Nippon a couple days ago and got me everything I needed to put things together, like fittings and whatnot. So perfect. All right, anyways, let's see what parts we got before we get to work on here. Just want to do a quick shout out thanks to Rob and Richard at Nippon Racing. Local shop here in Miami, had everything and more that we needed. So I picked up, what is this, pitchfork. This thing looks beautiful. This is a nice Perrin pitchfork. I needed an AEM pump over here, so 340, we're just running gas. Might get a surge tank, so I didn't need like a crazy, I didn't need a bigger one. So this is gonna be good here. Unfortunately, my my aeromotive one, brand new, didn't work, so that was weird. Anyways, here's that. So this one's gonna be for the charcoal canister removal in the back. It should be a 3/4 inch clamp on. We're just gonna plug that back there. Oil filter. These are just got a bunch of little fittings here. We're gonna figure out which one we want to use. This is probably not gonna use that one. That's for a rotate mount, and definitely needed this thing. These are white line anti-roll kit.
Get you some of that.
Oh wow, bro.
Get you some of that.
Damn, this looks nice. You never use these?
Never.
Yeah, he's got paper in the boxes and everything.
Brand new.
Wow, this is... I didn't want to use them. No, I lied. Come on, put it on. I want to see this.
For race car.
Damn. All right, we're leaving the gate. It is 5:04. Everybody's dirty. We're gonna have a mini bath up here.
Everybody's dirty and jumped in my truck, bro?
And we got Bradley along with us since he went to go pick up parts. You ready?
Yeah.
That's the I turned in and tried to back up.
that.
Uber Eats, Tony?
Yeah.